Hello traders, Andrew Tehako here, TNT Group, posting for NakedTrader.com. The date is October 20th, 2010, and we had some pretty wild markets yesterday with all that China stuff coming out. Like if you watched Brian's webcast, and he also talked about it on our blog. We were sitting here and we were expecting Goldman to come out, and equities just dropped. You actually saw out of the corner of my eye, I saw Aussie and New Zealand Kiwi actually drop the most first, and it kind of sparked a little interest when that happened. And then you saw everything else go. You saw commodities, equities, everything. Um, so things kind of went crazy with that. And, like he said, we're over here trying to spur growth, trying to really pick it up. We're not getting any here. Things are slow. And you got China over there across the sea, trying to cut growth over there. So you got really two huge countries trying to fight each other back and forth on what they want to do. I don't think it's good. You had a couple of people talking on CNBC about overall it's good for them. They're gonna halt their bubble in their real estate, but I think overall for the world and for countries trying to get out of what we're in, it's obviously a bad thing when you got the biggest country that's kind of holding everyone up is trying to cut down their growth. So you had that yesterday, a lot of big moves. Hopefully everyone was able to trade it well. Rather surprised here tonight. There wasn't much going on at all. I thought, in my opinion, very slow, especially for what happened yesterday. Again, in my opinion, I thought it was very choppy. Not much opportunities, I didn't think. I thought there was chances to do stuff, but things just wouldn't go. I felt things were kind of in a tight range, except for this euro. Almost up 100 ticks here. Um, but we're seeing some of the moves being taken back from yesterday, which again I'm also pretty surprised about. You're seeing, the dollar take back some of the move it made yesterday. It's down here. You're seeing oil, you're seeing gold, you're seeing equities. They're all higher, taking back their move from yesterday. Not all of it, but a pretty good chunk of it. Now, looking at that, especially with this China stuff, I think it might be a good opportunity to maybe get short these commodities or even long this dollar somewhere around a medium to long term. Especially, with this China news, and then also everything kind of taking half of what it did yesterday back. I'm real surprised with that. I thought we'd at least, keep chugging, slow chug from what we did yesterday. So, real choppy here tonight. Hopefully things pick up in the morning. We don't have much. We don't have any numbers to really spark anything up. We do have oil inventories. So keep an eye on that. That's the only thing that's really gonna, move these markets number-wise. But that's it. I don't know if people are just so caught up in everything that's going on that taking a break right now, sitting on the sidelines. I mean, you got earnings coming out. You have China stuff coming out. You're waiting on QE here in November. You're waiting on elections. So there's a lot of stuff going on that I think a lot of traders might be just sitting around waiting, seeing what's happening. Um, well, hopefully everything picks up. If you traded last night, hopefully it was a good trade. If you traded this morning, good trade also, hopefully. Again, Andrew Tehako with TNT Group, posting for NakedTrader.com. Remember, continue to check out Twitter, TNT_group. I didn't post anything on there last night. I was more concerned about getting in here and thinking things were going to move a little bit off this China stuff from yesterday, but obviously that didn't happen. Make sure to check out our blog also, www.tntgroup.me/blog. Check that out. Continue to write stuff on there. Continue to put these webcasts up and putting charts up, other things like that. Check it out. Thanks again.